In the heart of a bustling town lived a boy named Rahill. He was the only child of his parents, who worked hard but earned very little. His father owned a small tea stall near the bus stand, pouring cups of hot tea for travelers all day. His mother stitched clothes to support the family. Life was difficult, but their home was filled with love and quiet dreams. Rahill was not the brightest in school. His marks were average, and sometimes teachers scolded him for being distracted. But there was one thing that made him different. He loved running. Whenever he ran through the dusty fields, he felt like the wind itself. His dream was simple yet powerful, to win a race and make his parents proud. Every morning before school, while most children slept, Rahill tied his old, worn-out shoes and ran along the riverbank. His father would smile at him and say, "One day, your hard work will shine, my son." But reality was harsh. In every school race, Rahill finished second or third, never first. And each time, classmates teased him, saying, "You'll never win." One day, after losing again, Rahill sat alone on the empty playground, tears rolling down his cheeks. "Why do I even try? No matter how much I practice, I always fail," he muttered. Just then, the old school gardener walked by, holding a watering can. He noticed Rahill's sorrow and asked gently, "My boy, why such tears?" Rahill poured out his heart. "I run every day. I give my best, but I never win. I feel like I can never achieve my dream." The gardener listened quietly, then plucked a small bamboo shoot from the ground. "Do you know about the Chinese bamboo tree?" he asked. Rahill shook his head. "The bamboo is planted like any other seed. But in the first year, it does not grow. You water it, take care of it, but nothing happens. The second year, still nothing. The third year, still nothing. People laugh and say, 'It will never grow.' But if you keep watering it, in the fifth year, something magical happens. The bamboo suddenly shoots up, growing nearly 80 feet in just weeks." "Tell me, Rahill," the old man asked, "did the bamboo grow in a few weeks, or in 5 years?" "In 5 years," Rahill whispered. "Exactly," the gardener smiled. 4 years, its roots were growing strong beneath the soil, hidden from the world. Just like your efforts. Every drop of sweat, every second place, every tear, it is building your roots. One day, when the time is right, you will rise. But only if you remain consistent." Those words sank deep into Rahill's heart. He wiped his tears and stood up with new determination. "I will not give up," he promised. From that day forward, Rahill practiced with patience. He no longer ran only to beat others. He ran to become better than yesterday. Rain or shine, tired or fresh, he never stopped. Months passed. Then came the town championship race. The field buzzed with excitement. Parents, teachers, and students gathered to watch. Rahill's father closed his tea stall early to be there, his mother's eyes full of silent prayers. The whistle blew. Rahill ran. His legs pounded the ground, his lungs burned, but his heart was steady. He remembered the gardener's words, "Like the bamboo, your roots are strong." Step by step, he pushed forward, and for the first time in his life, he crossed the finish line first. The crowd erupted in cheers. His parents embraced him with tears of pride. But amid the celebration, Rahill searched for someone else. He found the old gardener, standing quietly under a tree, clapping with a smile. Rahill rushed to him, dropped to his knees, and said with emotion, "Sir, today I am standing here only because of you. Your words about the bamboo gave me strength when I was about to give up. Thank you for believing in me when I didn't believe in myself." The gardener placed a wrinkled hand on his shoulder. "My boy, I only planted a seed in your heart. You are the one who watered it with consistency. Remember this, true champions are not those who win once, but those who keep going no matter how many times they fall." Moral of the story. Like the bamboo tree, success takes time. Every small effort we make, even when unseen, strengthens our roots. With patience, dedication, and consistency, our dreams will one day rise tall for the world to see. Let's learn from the story. 1. Wisdom. Meaning, knowledge gained through experience and good judgment. Example, the old man's wisdom guided the young boy to the right path. 2. Consistency. Meaning, doing something regularly without giving up, being reliable. Example, success comes not from talent alone, but from consistency in effort. 3. Persistence. Meaning, continuing firmly even when it is hard, not giving up. Example, with persistence, she finally learned to play the piano.